Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you trying to play Hunt Showdown, but constantly being met with the frustrating error code 0x30005? In our research, we have found that when players try to play the game, but the game doesn't launch successfully and it endlessly loads, then after some time this error shows up. We have found that this error should be resolved by some general troubleshooting. If not, then probably it is a server-side issue and players should wait for a few hours or a day. But fear not, there are several ways to tackle this issue. The first solution is a simple one. Give your device a proper restart. It's a basic step, but sometimes all your system needs is a refresh. Quit the game, reboot your device, then launch the game again to see if the error persists. If a restart doesn't solve the issue, it's time to check for any pending Windows updates. During our research, we discovered that some users encountered the error code 0x30005 due to an outdated version of Windows. To check for updates, go to your Settings menu, select Update and Security, and then Windows Update. If there are any updates available, install them, restart your device, and then launch the game again. If the problem isn't related to a Windows update, the next step is to verify the game files for Hunt Showdown. Steam users can do this by right-clicking on the game in their library, selecting Properties, then Local Files, and finally, Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and repair them if necessary. When none of the above methods work, it's time to consider deleting the EAC files. Navigate to the Hunt Showdown directory where the game is installed, locate the EAC file, and delete it. Once that's done, verify the game files again. If, after trying all these fixes, you're still receiving the error, it's likely a server issue. In that case, the best course of action is to wait a few hours or even a day before trying to launch the game again. In summary, to fix the Hunt Showdown error code 0x30005, you can try restarting your device, checking for Windows updates, verifying the game files, deleting the EAC files, or waiting for a server-side issue to be resolved. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.